Alright. That's better. Okay, on this shelf, this side of the door, we have our yeast for making bread or whatever we need yeast for. So we have the yeast, packages of yeast, container of yeast, yeast in a jar. These aren't open. This one is open. I put the open in the jar. We have kefir. Look, keep it in here. This is just a little bag of candy from a party. Honey that we brought from the States. Sprinkles. Price Smart. Big old thing. Cranberries. Gum. Here's gum. Keep in here. Chocolate syrup. Sauce. No chocolate sauce. Put that on popcorn or obviously chocolate milk. And then on this shelf, because there's like 3 shelves. On this shelf, we have other condiments. We have stuff. Let's see. This is a passion fruit. Obviously, it's not edible, but I want the seeds. I want the seeds to plant. I got this and corn syrup for making candy. Sauce, syrup. I mean, these are 2 different kinds of syrup. Let's claim they like salad dressings here and barbecue sauce. Rarely use it. Bottom one, oh, another random. Olives. This is clusters, cashew clusters. Just little snack things. Fill these with some water. We're good to go. But it's practically empty. A little bit left. And that packet sits back there in the refrigerator. A water bottle. Reusable water bottle filled with water. This is a bag of nuts. So we have bags. It's a bag of nuts. Walnuts. Water bag. That's basically our refrigerator. This is just a towel that was under a drawer. So here's an overview of the refrigerator again. I have to go to Price Smart again when I get gallons of milk. See how it's unlevel? I will get probably 2 gallons of milk. And no, we don't get 2 for whatever I've seen a Costco video. No, our milk is 4 something a gallon. And I will get 2 gallons and they will fit on the shelf because it's lower. And so I'll do that. And yeah, I don't really need too much. I like it clear. No drinks. Like my husband would put beer in here. Oh, it takes up so much space. I don't like it. So here's an overview of it. So I don't drink. I definitely don't drink beer. And I don't drink anything else. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. And next time I'll do a freezer. Now this kind of freezer, I don't know how to organize it. It's a mess. I'll show you the freezer. And next time I'll tell you about our food storage, pantry-like situation. Thanks for watching. Remember, thumbs this up, subscribe, and tell everybody to watch these videos. Thanks.